Acts
Acts
chapter 17,
chapter 17,
10 to
10 to
chapter 17,
chapter 17,
19.
19.
The brothers immediately
The brothers immediately
sent Paul
sent Paul
and Silas
and Silas
away
away
by night
by night
to Berea.
to Berea.
And when they arrived,
And when they arrived,
they went into the Jewish
they went into the Jewish
synagogue.
synagogue.
Now these Jews were
Now these Jews were
more noble
more noble
than
than
those in Thessalonica.
those in Thessalonica.
They received the word
They received the word
with all
with all
eagerness,
eagerness,
examining the scriptures
examining the scriptures
daily
daily
to see
to see
if these things were so.
if these things were so.
Many of them,
Many of them,
therefore,
therefore,
believed
believed
with not a few Greek women
women
of high standing
of high standing
as well as men.
as well as men.
But when the Jews from
But when the Jews from
Thessalonica
Thessalonica
learned that
learned that
the word of God was
the word of God was
proclaimed by Paul
proclaimed by Paul
at Berea also.
with Berea also.
At Berea also.
At Berea also.
They came there too,
They came there too,
hesitating
agitating
and stirring up
and stirring up
the crowds.
the crowd.
Then the brothers
Then the brothers
immediately sent Paul off
immediately sent Paul off
on his way
on his way
to the sea.
to the sea.
But Silas and Timothy
But Silas and Timothy
remained there.
remained there.
Those
Those
who conducted Paul
who conducted Paul
brought him
brought him
as far as Athens.
as far as Athens.
And after receiving
And after receiving
a command
a command
for Silas and Timothy
for Silas and Timothy
to come
to come
to him
to him
as soon as possible,
as soon as possible,
they departed.
they departed.
Now,
Now,
while Paul was waiting for them
while Paul was waiting for them
at Athens,
at Athens,
his spirit was
his spirit was
provoked within him
provoked within him
as he saw that
as he saw that
the city was full of idols.
the city was full of idols.
So he reasoned
So he reasoned
in the synagogue
in the synagogue
with the Jews
with the Jews
and
and
the devout persons,
the devout person,
and in the marketplace
and in the marketplace
every day
every day
with those
with those
who happened to be there.
who happened to be there.
Some of the
Some of the
Epicurean
Epicurean
and Stoic philosophers
and Stoic philosophers
also conversed with him.
also conversed with him.
And some said,
And some said,
"What does
what does
this babbler wish to say?"
this babbler wish to say?
Others said,
Others said,
"He seems to be a
he seems to be a
preacher
preacher
of foreign divinities,
of foreign divinities
because
because
he was preaching
he was preaching
Jesus
Jesus
and the resurrection."
and the resurrection.
And they took him
And they took him
and brought him
and brought him
to the Areopagus,
to the Areopagus,
saying,
saying,
May we know
May we know
what this new teaching
what this new teaching
is that you are presenting.
is that you are presenting.